Welcome to episode number one here on season 2. And today we are getting into Robinhood Recap December edition. I'm just gonna try to have fun season 2. A lot of fun, as much fun as I can moving forward. So on my account, I remember last month I talked about how I expected to have a little bit of a dip when going into December and probably finishing out December with a dip on Robinhood. However, that wasn't the case, and this actually was one of the best months I had in investments in trading and Robinhood, specifically this entire year. So let's go ahead and take a look. If you look on the screen here, this is, again, my screen. This is where this is where I live pretty much for the stock market. These are all my entries. The majority, so the ones down here that say delete, these are going to be the ones that are my swing trades. Right now, some of them are actually doing pretty good. SFN, I'm up over 7% on that one. There's another UGLD right here. I'm up over 7% as well. And just other few that I'm kind of up over 7%. And 7% is like the target that I try to shoot for in a swing trade. However, some of them I just take losses on. A few of these probably down here I'll take some losses on. But oh well, it is what it is. As far as my actual percentages, I'm still doing good with swing trading. I need to sell off some of my dividend stocks. I had a steep increase in my dividend shares this month. I need to buy a little bit of gold and silver, buy a little bit of long-term holds, and a little bit more of ETF. So if you look down here at the actual categories, IIPR was a climber this month. It actually ran up, I think, like 50%. It went from $18 to close of yesterday, I believe it was at $32.43, and a month ago it was trading at $18. So obviously that's a huge increase, almost 100% increase on that specific stock. So I'll probably end up selling one share of IIPR just to bring that back down. So I need to sell, and then I can also go ahead and open up some more here once that goes positive or negative. Right now I'm positive, even though it says negative. That just means I need to sell. As far as precious metals, I'll probably pick up some more of this BTG. Just one more share. It's right now trading at like $2.40 or $2.40, and I'll probably pick up another one and eventually hopefully bring that back to zero. A long-term hold, probably will pick up a little bit of PLG. It's trading at like $3 right now, and so I'll probably pick up a little bit more of PLG. And then as far as ETFs go, I'll probably just find like a $15, $13 ETF to add to this category here. But let's go ahead and look at the overall swing trading on the account. This is the basic. Right here, I made $13.34 trading this month. I actually would have made more, but I closed a few positions that were, hard losses for me this month. So we'll go ahead and take a look at that. The real quick overview on the actual account. I made almost $3 in dividends this month. Account increase or gross profit was $152.82. The actual account versus deposit. So my net profit this month was $126.82. So my percent of growth this actual month was $11 or 11.20%. That's crazy. And then my percentage of growth of swing trades, just including my swing trades, would be 3.57%. So out of the $377 I have allocated to swing trading, I turned that into 357 or 3.57%. And then over the overall account, I made 1.18% just off of swing trades alone. Let's go ahead and look at the top 3 trades. So starting with number 3 was SE, which I made $3.46 off, coming in third place. VIPS was number 2. This is a stock that I've actually held for about 90 days. It was a swing trade that had went bad that I had capitalized, just held in because I knew it would swing back up. Took $9.20 profit on there. Lastly was Time Magazine. I took $15.63. I was going to close it out of that position last month. However, it wasn't time to get out, and so it rose up a little bit more, and I took $15.63. My worst trades, number 3 comes in at $1.56 with FIVN, and then INSM was $2.02, and then my worst trade was AKG, which is actually a gold mining company that I finally closed my position on because I didn't want to have them in my portfolio category anymore. I want to actually put an ETF in there instead, and so I closed that position and I took a loss of $14.46, which is not fun, and that's what actually hurt my account the most. Because if you look through my overall portfolio, I have nothing besides that one over $2, so everything else besides that is under $1, and most of them are actually like cents. So it is what it is. It happens. Let's go ahead and look at the actual growth over the years. So Robinhood, like I said, December I closed around $600, and then And this year, later on this year, I closed at $1,132. So super stoked about that. I also made huge gains from November to December. Like, that's crazy, almost $150. And that would be my biggest increase pretty much across the board. Looking at next month, I based upon last year, I do look to see a little bit more growth going into it. However, in February, I think that I'll see that kind of dip right there. Anyways, let's go ahead and dive into the question of the day, which is how many makeup products should an adolescent own? And the answer is as many as they want. Let's be honest. They can own as many as they want. If you have any questions regarding Stash, Acorns, Robinhood, as well as general investing advice, business, Etsy, coaching, post this question down below, and I will try to get them on the next episode. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe up here and check out my Robinhood recap November edition. Why not? Check out the video right here. And as always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.